A delivery driver got a text during the worst blizzard in 20 years. Cancel all routes. Roads too dangerous. He looked at his list. Mrs. Chen needed her heart medication. Tom, wheelchair-bound, was out of groceries. He kept driving. Security cameras caught him trudging through knee-deep snow, making delivery after delivery. Someone posted the footage online. A logistics CEO saw it, called him the next morning. I need someone who understands what service really means. Want to run my fleet? Sometimes doing what's right opens doors you never knew existed.